Hey guys, Derek here. So what I'm doing, I am just going to put the first part of the DeathRacer together. I have already done the inserts. I don't know if you can see them. Where them black dots are, but I've already put the inserts in here. They're fairly straightforward. There's videos on the website, on YouTube. You can figure them out yourself. It's fairly straightforward. So I need, also what I was going to do is I've got the battery here for the DeathRacer, which was, I checked on the Discord channel, and this is the one to get. Okay, I just wanted to see whether or not it goes in there very nicely. Good. Okay, so this part should only be fairly quick. It's just the main frame and battery compartment that's going together. So I've got the thing up here. Just give me 2 seconds.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm just going to go off of the instructions that come with the kit. Obviously my printer's still printing parts in the back. I'm still printing parts for the DeathRacer. I think I've only got the body, the man that goes on top of it to do now. Everything else is done, ready for other parts. So let's have a quick look. So we've got the main frame, the battery tray, and the frame cover are the three parts that we need for this part. That is obviously telling you where to put the heat inserts in, which I've already done. Okay, so attaching the battery tray, so that's this. I don't need that part. That's this and this part. Okay, so it basically says you just need to glue it into place. So glue it in there. Says with CA glue into the recess channel, and then obviously we'll put the frame on. I don't have any CS glue. All I've got is some very cheap super glue. I'm out of glue at the moment, otherwise I'll be using glue. So I'm going to go gentle with this. There. And there. This is a way looking that way. Hold that in place. As you heard, it clips in. Just going to hold that down for 30 seconds or so while I carry on just checking a few other bits. Optional cooling fan, which is this one here. This is the fan itself, and basically it says to, on this part, this way round, and for that to be going up there. So they would go, this will go here. I'll double check it. You just don't know on these things. Right, let's just check. That's looking good to me. Right, let's have a look. Optional cooling fan. That's an optional cooling fan anyway, so I can put it in at a later time. It doesn't matter. Okay. So on there, just go along a bit further. So obviously I'm doing this, I'm just total novice beginner of setting one of these up. This is that. This will go on top. Okay, so there's angles on here, and some of them, obviously it's going to go that way around. Yeah. So the way I've got it is, as it is, face down. The U shape is facing this way, and that just goes on top like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see. M316s. So M316s are these ones. M316s. So some of the kit you will find will, hold on, what's that one? Some of the kit has the round tops on, some of them are flat. And this is saying to use these ones. And I'm hoping I have them in here. I didn't see a lot of them. Got them. Okay, I found them. Perfect. Okay, so I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. Oh, I can't count. Right, okay. And they should line up with the inserts underneath. I did notice on some of the kit that it has, it doesn't have some of the parts that you need, and you have to outsource them yourself. In the Discord channel, they are very helpful. They will actually go through and give you the links and what you need to pick up and what you need to order, which is fantastic, because some kits, some places where you're trying to get help, you don't get help. This is good. Right. Also, this is a sort of kit that you could put together with, you know, with maybe your son, you know, or daughter, if they're into this sort of thing, and, you know, just as a little project together. Right. Done. Do not over tight, and basically that is all it is. So that is now the main part. Like I said, it's only a quick video, this one. That will go, that'll slide in there. Absolutely perfect. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, part 1 done. As I said, it's going to be a quick video, this one. It's only this sort of part. Let's just screw that in a bit better. Make sure I've got the right one. Just snug them up, don't go too tight. The screw will actually stop when you're there. Yeah. Right there. Just don't over tight them. It doesn't need a lot of force. That's stopped. That's done. And last one. Okay. So you don't want to over tight them, even though they're going into the inserts, but you don't need to over tight them. Okay. Right. That is done. Part 1 over and done with. Like I said, very small video on this one. It's only 3 parts. The next one is going to be the drive frame. That's where we're putting the actual tracks together. So what I might do is go ahead and do majority of the rubber tracks, put them all together. They just take these very thin steel rods. They will go through the tracks, linking them together. That is it. So I'll more likely do that off camera, and then we can hopefully speed up the process. The next part will need a couple of the motors, the drive motors, and also the wheel parts, the hubs. Okay, there we go. That's just part 1 over and done with. I will hopefully get part 2 done by next weekend, and then I'm doing this on. I'm hoping to upload this by Saturday. Same with the rest of the videos. I'm going to try and do it weekly. If you want to stay with me on that, it's totally up to you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Like I said, it's this. I'm going to start loving it, hopefully, and hopefully it'll work once it's all done. The electronics might be a bit of a pain. That might be in several steps. I do not know yet. My electronics ain't brilliant, but I can follow a guide like most people. Okay, many thanks. See you later. Bye.